Hello Glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. Time for another giveaway. It's my birthday giveaway surprise box. This surprise box will contain items that you may use in your crafting. I will leave a full details in the description bar below on how to enter. I went on Pinterest for inspiration and ideas to start creating my Greek mythology dining room, and I came across these beautiful, unique pieces that gave me some inspiration. I would like to share with you how I created my very own Greek mythology centerpiece. If you would like to find out how I created my very own centerpiece, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using this 12 by 12 round half dome that I purchased from Michael's at 50% off. Next, I was looking for a base, so I'll be using this cool width 6-inch container, and I'll be cutting around the bottom. Once I was done cutting out the bottom, I'll take it and trace it around the bottom of the dome so it'll be easier to glue back in the center. And for the remainder of this project, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll start applying hot glue around the tracing, and then I'll attach my container. Add extra glue to seal in the openings. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll be using school glue, and you have a choice of using the clear or the white, and I'll be applying this on the dome. This will protect when spray painting so the dome will not melt, and I applied 2 coats. Because this is styrofoam, it can melt if you don't add a protection, so school glue will protect the styrofoam from melting. Apply 2 coats and let 2 hours in between of drying time when applying the next coat. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll be using 4 styrofoam balls, and these are 5 inches each, and I'll repeat the same steps with the school glue. Next, I cut 4 large bamboo skewers to 5 inches, and I glue them to the bottom. Next, I'll be using this 6-inch round cardboard that I previously cut, and I'll be gluing on this brick that I grabbed from my backyard, and this will add for balancing and support on the bottom of the centerpiece. Also be using 1 round styrofoam, but I did not add any school glue, so the spray paint will melt it and make it nice and stiff. Once I was done, I took all my pieces to a well ventilated area and spray painted metallic gold, including extra skewers. Next, I'll be applying clear school glue on all 4 round styrofoam balls, and then I'll sprinkle gold glitter. I repeated the same steps only on the bottom base. Once I was done, I sealed the glitter with Krylon sealer. Next, I'll be using 4 remote control LED touch lights, and these touch lights change into 4 different colors, and all I'll be doing them is just placing them around the inside of the bowl around the styrofoam, and this will be for easy access when changing the battery. I'll start placing the styrofoam balls inside the bowl, and you have the options of placing these however you like. Next, I'll start placing the gold skewers in a pattern that I desired, and I will not be gluing anything in just in case I would like to change it around later on. Next, I'll be adding gold beads in the pattern of my choice, and remember, I will not be gluing anything on just in case I would like to change it around later on. Here's the finished look. I really do love the way the centerpiece turned out, and this is a great start to my Greek mythology dining room set. I really do love the gold and the shimmering that it brings to the dining room table, but I especially love that it brings a metal iron feeling to the centerpiece. This Greek mythology centerpiece can be done in any color of your choice or style. The choice is yours. Let's not forget the beautiful shimmering and lighting that will bring into that special place in your home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bell for more upcoming future videos. See you on my next DIY upload.